Hunkydory's little square book of flowers is filled with beautiful floral artwork for such a pretty look. Okay, this is tiny. It's as fun though. It measures 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, has 150 sheets. It's very thick, and it's all attached up at the top. You're going to get 25 different designs. So everything you see, you will get 6 of. And look at those beautiful designs. So pretty. And I'm going to try to go through each of the designs, but you see it is paper, it is single-sided, and you get 6 of each one of those images. So pop that onto the front of a card, add your own greeting, and get some of the looks you see here. So I can see how easy it would be just to place this on the front of a card, especially if you don't have a lot of time to do a lot of crafting, but you still want to send somebody a simple card, a quick card, but you want it to be something you made, something that's heartfelt, and these are such pretty images. I also like that because you get six of them, you could take 6 and make 6 thank you cards of all the same kind, and so that's kind of a good idea too. You could use these on a scrapbook page if you wanted some extra artwork behind or around some photos, so that would be a great look too. And I just think that's a really sweet look. You could take them and maybe cut out a smaller area and use them as gift cards. You can fold them over and make a nice little gift card with that. But I really like, for me, some different imagery too. So we're getting into something that says especially for you, so you actually get a sentiment there. So a little bit different artwork. I just really like how easy it is to just pick up a little book like this and just place that artwork onto a card very quickly. And I love the Hunkydory imagery. Just really beautifully done, and just some really interesting and different styles to choose from. I love the little teacups. So these could be used for love you or thank you, hello. You could use them for, oh, here's like a celebration or congratulations. That could be for wedding. Definitely use, for sympathy or for get well soon. That might be more of a sympathy look there. So it's totally up to you and what you like, and you can choose images that you think somebody will like. And so lots of beautiful images in there. 25 different designs, 6 of each image. The Hunkydory little square book of flowers.